Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys, I colored my hair a soft black. Do you guys see it? In the spring and summer, I stopped coloring my hair and I just let the sun kind of just fade it into like this brownish reddish tone that it naturally turns into when I stop coloring my hair. But for some reason in the fall and winter, I like my hair like a really dark, like a darker black. And the color that I chose is called Soft Black by eSalon. eSalon is a customizable hair coloring service that they actually mail to you after taking a quiz. I've been using eSalon since 2010, you guys. And so when they reached out to work with me, I was so honored. I was so excited. So thank you so much to eSalon for sponsoring and collaborating this video. You guys, when I tell you it's been since 2010, here's a screenshot of my very first order. I've mentioned it quite a few times throughout the 10 years of my YouTube life. I've pretty much been using eSalon for almost as many years as I've started YouTube. So here's a clip of me mentioning eSalon. But I am definitely a true fan of eSalon.com and I will definitely continue to color my hair. I actually color my hair. I like coloring it black from this hair coloring company called eSalon. Dang, you guys, I look so different and I'm totally different. I'm more comfortable with myself. But one thing that has stayed the same is my hair coloring kit because I still use eSalon, you guys. So I recently colored my hair and I'm going to show you guys the process on how you guys can color your hair at home. So like I mentioned, eSalon is a customizable at-home hair coloring kit. You take a quiz and based on your quiz, you can select the hair color that you want and it's made to order. So it's not made like in advance. It's made specifically for you, which is really nice because everyone has different hair colors, hair textures, needs. For me, I don't like to color my hair often. I like to wait until 2 months, which is 8 weeks, to color my hair and keep the black vibrant. And I didn't want it to be like this blue black tone that I usually prefer. I wanted it to be soft black, so that's what I chose. And I wanted to make sure that it got rid of the red tones in my hair. Let's go over everything on how I color my hair at home. Alright friends, let's go over the eSalon box. It comes with personalized instructions because like I mentioned, it's made to order, it's customizable, and the hair coloring is made just for you and specifically for your hair color and hair needs. It comes with the developer, the hair color, and it has this kit which I really appreciate. Like it comes every time. It has this stain guard, which is great for around the hairline, especially around the ears. That's where I get my stains. Stain remover, which is helpful, and a little shampoo and conditioner packet that you use once. It also comes with 2 pairs of non-latex gloves. The first pair you wear while you're coloring your hair, and the second pair you wear while showering and rinsing off your hair color. And then I decided to add this on. This is not something that comes in the kit all the time. You just have to add it on if you want, but it's a weekly retreat. It kind of just like shines your hair and just boosts the hair color. And then I also decided to add the cape because this is gonna be really convenient because I usually use a trash bag as my cape, but I'm trying to be a little more extra for this video, friends. And then I decided to add this kit. This is something that you can add on, but I promise you it's super convenient because it's the hair coloring bowl, the timer, the brush, and the 4 hair clips. And the hair clips, I'm telling you, they're so helpful when you're coloring your hair. So I'm really happy that I decided to get it. So the first step is to put on your cape or a trash bag if you prefer. Put on clothes that you don't mind staining. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and separate my hair into 4 sections with the 4 clips that I got through ordering through eSalon. And these little clips are going to be very helpful. You're going to see why. So the first step is the stain guard. You're going to apply the stain guard throughout your hairline and especially the ear area and the neck area. That's where I get stains. And sometimes I even get stains on my arms. And then next, you're going to mix the hair color inside the developer bottle and you're going to mix that really well. And if you don't have the mixing bowl that I chose to add on, you can just use that and just squirt the hair coloring directly onto your roots. But I decided to be a little extra and do the bowl and the brush. So what I'm doing first is I'm just mixing that really well, even though I mixed it already. And I'm just following the instructions on the manual that I got. The first step was to focus on the roots, so that's exactly what I'm doing. And then I'm just gonna color my hair following each step from the instructions. And the first step was to do the roots, and then the second step was to focus on each like section of the hair, and there were 4 sections, so that's the first section. And you guys, when you're coloring your hair at home, my trick is to make sure that you saturate your hair completely with the hair color. Like, just because you feel like you did enough, just use all of it. Like, the hair coloring kit was given to you, so use every bit of it so that you don't get any patches or miss any parts of the hair. And how I notice if I miss a patch or not is that I feel it. Like, you can still feel how wet your hair is in comparison to certain parts of your hair that doesn't have the hair dye. So that's my little tip for you guys. So I'm just going ahead and, you know, doing each section, and then I'm putting it back up and using the clips to just have my hair back up. And then after that, I followed the instructions, and it said after that I wait 30 minutes. So 30 minutes, I was just editing, doing whatever I had to do in the 30 minutes. And then after the 30 minutes, I went ahead and I followed the directions. It told me to grab the bottle and to add water and to just rinse my hair off with it. And then I went ahead and I rinsed my hair with the shampoo and conditioner. And then I dried my hair. And I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys. See, that's the timer like I mentioned, but we're already at the dried my hair part, right? And this is the before and the after. Can you guys see the difference? Anyways, friends, I hope you guys enjoyed watching me color my hair at home, and I hope that you guys learn how to do it at home as well. And you guys can totally do it for your first e-salon hair coloring kit. You can use my link down below, and you can get it for only $10. And if you need help with figuring out a hair color, you can talk to a colorist on the website and everything, and make sure you take that quiz to figure out exactly what you want and what needs you have for your hair. But thank you, friends, so much for watching. Thank you to e-salon again so much for sponsoring this video, and I'll see you guys next time.